So yesterday we had our first ever permaculture class here on the new homestead. We had a great turnout. My wife made lots of delicious food for us and snacks. It was a really good day. And a big thank you to everyone that was here and participated in the class. So I've studied permaculture for quite a few years now, and I got my permaculture certification through Matt Power's school, and have practiced and worked for several months now developing my own permaculture course. So yesterday my students were kind of the guinea pigs, the first guys to take the class here, and it was the first class we taught on the farm, and I think it all turned out very well. So if you're in our area and you're ever interested in taking one of our classes, we'll keep those posted on our website and try to keep it updated on YouTube as well. So this is our little classroom area. We have tables and stuff set up in here, and we cast everything up to this screen. So all of that worked out pretty well, except yesterday I could not figure out until this morning, day late, why my YouTube videos that I used for this presentation wouldn't cast to the TV up there. I figured it out a day late, so got it done though. But what I really want to talk about today, this video, is taking care of our seeds, doing our seed inventory. It's a cold January day. Too cold by far for us to plant anything outside right now, but you might be able to see in the background we do have some things growing on shelves, that a lot of greens and things that we kind of keep live, and our microgreens that we're growing over the winter. But I'm going through my seeds today and taking inventory of what we have and kind of planning out where what we want to plant when it is time to plant outside. But I've got these totes. I've actually got 3 of these totes, and in each side one of the totes I've got the seeds organized in these photo boxes, these photo cases, and on each one, like this one, is squash and beans. So these cases are really useful for storing your seeds, keeping them in a dry, warm place, like here at our workroom. And in each side of one of the larger plastic cases, they have these that were originally made for photos, but makes great seed storage. So I'm going to go through these seeds today, figure out what we have, what we like to eat, because we really just want to grow things that we're actually going to consume and eat. And we have a lot of seeds to go through, a lot to figure out. A lot of these seeds are left from our market garden. So we just moved here to this homestead a few months ago. At our own place, we had a market garden, and we're growing for our community there. On our new homestead, our plan now is, as you saw from the classrooms, to do more teaching about organic gardening, permaculture, microgreens, herbal medicine, those kind of things. So we'll have a lot more classes. But today my job is to go through all of these seeds and figure out what we have and what we want to grow for this next spring season. We have seeds up here on the table. This box is out of those. This is our lettuce and greens. So some of the companies I really like to buy from, I like Johnny's Seeds, Haas Seeds or Haas Tool Company. They've got great seeds. Of course, Baker Heirloom Seeds. And then we have quite a few seeds up here that we had gotten from another class that they sponsored. We have a lot of seeds from Mountain Valley Seed Company. I haven't gone through these and sorted out all of these. I don't know if you can see that, all of these seed packets that we have. So I need to figure out how those fit in the bins and which ones we're going to grow this year. We also have seeds that we've saved. So we do a lot of seed saving. This is garlic chive, so we've got quite a few of those. We have African blue basil. We have a lot of flower seeds that we have saved. And I also have these little seed packets, so I can take the seeds, a lot of them, out of these bags that we stored or saved them in, transfer them to actual seed packets so we know how to best use those. So that's kind of today's project. Cold winter day. It's time to go through your seeds, figure out what you need, what you want to order, and what you might be low on, and discover if there are any seeds that you need to order before it's actually time to plant. In the next 3 to 4 weeks, we will probably also need to start some plants inside. A lot of our herbs, tomatoes, peppers, and things like that. We'll go ahead and get those started inside. But for now, today, I'm going to be going through our seeds and finding out where we are on our inventory. So I hope you have a great day. Hope you'll get out your seeds or figure out what you're going to grow this season. And let's make a great garden this year. Hope you like our videos. And if you do, please give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.